Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Toshiba AC is not cooling properly, displaying unusual behavior, or failing to respond to commands, performing a reset may help restore normal operation. Temporary software glitches, power interruptions, or communication issues can sometimes affect the Toshiba AC and prevent it from working as expected. Fortunately, many of these problems can be resolved without special tools or complicated repairs. A simple reset often gives the Toshiba AC a fresh start and clears minor faults. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy steps that may help you successfully reset your Toshiba AC and get it running smoothly again. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the Toshiba AC using the remote control or power button. Step 2. Disconnect the Toshiba AC from the power source or switch off the breaker. Step 3. Leave the Toshiba AC without power for several minutes. Step 4. Restore electrical power to the Toshiba AC after the waiting period. Step 5. Turn the Toshiba AC back on and allow the system to initialize. Step 6. Confirm that the Toshiba AC is operating normally and responding correctly.